Okay guys, today I bring for you something beautiful. Okay guys, you can see what I bring for you today. I bring for you beautiful, nice hairstyle. Today I bring for you different types of hairstyle. So I will tell you, don't forget subscribe. Don't let you to watch the video up to end without subscribe my channel. You just you add me a lot when you subscribe my channel. And even me, I want this channel to grow. Just why I try to push until one time I can win. So look at this I bring for you different. Look at this, it's really nice, beautiful. Look at this, it's really comfortable and you look good. Look at this. Look at this, it's really nice. As a mom, as a teenager, you can plan this hair and you can feel beautiful, comfortable. Okay, look at this, it's really, today I bring for you the types of hairstyle. You just gonna do this to watch this video up to end. And another way, if you want to get a new hairstyle, you just subscribe my channel and click the bell. When I posted any video on this channel, you just you're going to get notification when I post the video. So guys, look at this, it's really nice, easy and cute and comfortable. Look at this, really. Look at this, today I bring for you beautiful hairstyle. Even me, I feel yeah, this is really good. Okay guys, look at this, simple and easy and they look good. Okay, teenagers, you can braid this hair for really. Okay, you can braid this hair. If you're a mom, you can braid this hair, it's feeling you comfortable. His work on office, they still look at these braids. You can braid this hair and look at this, simple and nice. Look at this. This is so beautiful, nice and easy. Look at it. I told you, if you're a mom, you can braid it. Today I bring for you different types of hairstyle. So guys, I will tell you, I'm here to share different hairstyle. So if you want to more, you just subscribe Deborah Hand Hairstyle. Look at this. As a teenager, where are you? Teenager, where are you? As a mom, where are you? Come to watch this video and watch this video up to end. And I want to tell you, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. And I want to tell you something important. Stay prepared, Jesus coming soon. Even I don't know, even the angels on heaven, they don't know the day or the time, but be sure anytime, any day, Jesus coming soon. I hope you understand me. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you for next video. Look at this, oh my god. See you guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and comment.